on scorching summer days, ensuring the stable operation of equipment inside enclosures and cabinets is crucial. Hello everyone, I am Sherry from Beijing, Hungary. In this video, we have received a new batch of enclosure and cabinet fans. These fans feature advanced designs that efficiently and quickly expel internal heat, keeping your equipment at an optimal working temperature. Its high-efficiency fan blades not only operate at high speeds but also maintain low noise levels, so you can enjoy powerful cooling without the distraction of annoying noise. They can be used in server cabinets in data centers, significantly reducing equipment temperature, improving server stability and reliability, while reducing the risk of failures and data loss caused by overheating. W2S130-AA03-87. This is a compact AC axial fan, featuring a steel impeller and a die-cast aluminum. Size 172 by 150 by 55 mm. Voltage 230 volt. Power 45 watt. Current 0.31 ampere. Speed at 2,800 rpm. Maximum air volume 340 cubic meters per hour. Maximum air pressure 55 bar. 4114N/2H8P. The impeller is made of industrial plastic material. The housing is made of metal. Support PWM speed control. Size 119 by 119 by 38 mm. Voltage 24 volt. Power 120 watt. Current 5 ampere. Speed 11,000 rpm. Maximum air volume 570 cubic meters per hour. Maximum air pressure 1,340 bar. 4312/170. Impeller and outer frame are made of industrial plastic. Size 119 by 119 by 32 mm. Voltage 12 volt. Power 5 watt. Current 0.42 ampere. Speed at 2,800 rpm. Maximum air volume 170 cubic meters per hour. Maximum air pressure 78 bar. Whether for industrial control cabinets or communication equipment cabinets, these fans are your ideal choice. Come and equip your chassis cabinet with these powerful cooling solutions today. Follow us for getting more real stuff about fans.